Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2020 for you, friends. This is the exercise number 46. We will learn the use of sketch, smart dimension, circle command, line command, offset command, extruded cut command, and boss extrude command from this SolidWorks 2020 free exercise video. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular exercise. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch.
Now take the line command.
Make equal.
Now select Smart Dimension. Press OK.
Now take Offset Entities command. Offset 20 millimeters. Reverse direction. Select cap ends. Select line.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Length is 120 millimeters.
Press OK.
Fillet radius is 10 mm. Select this corner for fillet.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Take Straight Slot command.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 80 millimeters. Distance is 20 millimeters. Radius is 6 millimeters. Height is 20 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK.
Select Liner Sketch Pattern. Select these entities to pattern. Choose Pattern Path. Distance is 20 millimeters. Number of pattern is 03.
Press OK. Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. From the drop-down menu select Through All.
Press OK.
Take Fillet command. Fillet radius is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Take Fillet command. Fillet radius is 30 millimeter.
Press OK.
Left click on this surface and select Sketch. Take Straight Slot command.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Length is 35 millimeters. Radius is 15 millimeters.
Now take Trim Entities command. Press OK. Now take the Line command.
Control select these lines and make them perpendicular. Make coincident. Control select these lines and make them perpendicular.
Now select Smart Dimension. The sketch is fully defined. Now take Circle command. Press OK.
Select these circles and make them equal. Make these centers vertical. Distance is 30 millimeters. Height is 30 millimeters. Diameter is 12 millimeters. Distance is 60 millimeters. From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Select through all.
Press OK.
Left click on this surface and select Sketch. Convert these circles. Now take Offset Entities command. Offset distance is 2 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Extrude height is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Take Fillet command. Fillet radius is 2 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations.
This is the part which we were trying to build. If you enjoy this SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.